Make sure you stay until the end. People make a common mistake that can cost you thousands of dollars, so we'll share what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Hyundai or Kia guys with a GDI engine. If you have one of those 2.4 Gdi or other even GDI engines and you need to locate and replace knock sensors, stay with us, we'll explain where it's located and one simple mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars. Make sure to stay until the end, we'll explain what it is. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Now, if you need to buy any parts, tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we share, that's where we get all our tool supplies from, and that's where we share the links to them as well. So, with that being said, this is guys 2.4 Gdi engine that we'll be demonstrating on. Even if you have a 1.6, 1.8, 2.0, 2.4, 2.5, the position of the knock sensor will be very similar as well. We will explain where it's located, how to get to it and how to replace it. Many of you have been asking us in the comment section below to share information guys about diagnostics that we recommend, because these modern cars need good diagnostic tools. That's the one that you see all the time and you want to know about. This is it. I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you want to check the current price and features. It works on Hyundai, Kia and almost any car you can think of guys. It's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. In order to get to the knock sensor guys, you need to remove your intake manifold. Any of you that don't know how to do that, we have a special video how to remove intake manifold on GDI engine. Check it out, it will teach you how to do that. Once you remove the intake manifold, okay, you will have everything open here. But that's where people make one simple mistake. Before you start working on the car, disconnect the car battery. Why? Because you have a positive wire right here on the engine starter coming from the car battery and one on the alternator that if you touch with the tool you can short the computer, you can burn the electronics on your Hyundai Kia, you can cause damage to the electrical system. And it actually even matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. Check out the link in the description of the video below. If you don't know about that, there is a video that will teach you how to do that. Once you do all that, if you come right here, those are the fuel injectors, cylinder number 1, 2, 3 and 4, and under cylinder number 3 is where your knock sensor is located. But in order to remove it, you need to disconnect, okay, you need to disconnect that fuel injector, okay, so that safety thing, okay, needs to come out, okay, then you're going to press down and disconnect the injector. The moment you disconnect the injector, you're going to get to the knock sensor, okay, right there. So right here we need to disconnect the wire first, okay, from that holder there. So with the pliers, okay, we're going to squish these two pieces together. Okay, you squish them towards each other. Okay, let me just focus. You squish and you pull it out. Perfect. Now, we need to get a, what is that, a 12 millimeter socket? No, that's too small. We need to get a 12 millimeter and we will need to remove that knock sensor. So, let's go ahead, okay, do that. And I'll show you what you need to do when you install the new one. Make sure you watch until the end. Okay, the knock sensor will come out. And when you install the new one, clean here everything really good. Make sure you don't have any oil contamination. Make sure it's smooth. You may use some very fine sandpaper like 400 just to make everything super clean. Use degreaser, clean it, because if you have dirt stuck, rock, sand stuck between the knock sensor and the engine block, it will not work correctly guys, and that can affect your vehicle. So yeah, that's the knock sensor. If you want to know, okay, how to test knock sensor on Hyundai Kia, we have the video on the channel. It's going to teach you everything from start to finish, so please check it out. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.